Hi guys, welcome to another episode of cooking. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Mary Chef, and in today's vlog we are going to prepare some chicken and chicken stew with boiled rice. So here I have some dania, some tomatoes, some hoho, carrots and some onions. So I've already boiled my chicken, so we are going to fry them, and then we boiled our rice. So guys, make sure you like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. We are in road to 1k subscribers, so let's get to cooking. Welcome. So here is my boiled chicken. It has already finished water. So what we are going to start with, we are going to put some cooking oil. I'm going to add some more, a little bit. I'm going to add some onions. Then I add some carrots, and some hoho. Then I'm going to allow my onions, my carrots and hoho to cook for some time. So our carrots, our onions are ready. So we are going to add our onions, our tomatoes I mean. So our stew is ready. So what we are going to do, we are going to garnish it. Garnish with some dania. So our chicken is ready. So let's boil our rice. So we are preparing 1 glass of rice. So we are going to use 2 glasses of water. We are going to add some salt to taste. And some cooking oil. That's enough. So let's leave our water to boil for some time. So guys, this is the end result. So this is our boiled rice. Our boiled rice with this chicken stew. It looks so yummy.